Omanyi baby mbadde ndi ku live. Planwet yamati yakkiriza mbu tumunoonyeze sente. Ate alabye ebiki n'agaana okitegeera. No aze ku live mbu nakubira Richie. Okitegeera. Kati nze saagala nteeke mu buzannyo bwe. Kitegeera. Kati so nze live ya Richie ngifuddeko kangende ku Facebook yange. Yeah, I think that's better. I don't want people to play victim. Okitegeera. Yakufuula embabi talina sente. Mwavu. Tayagala kukkiriza. You don't pray to be rich here. Abantu bagenda muyamba. Kitegeera. Abantu bali willing omuyamba acha prayinga lubosire. Ne sente zamujje nakasero yazeewola. Okitegeera kati agala kunfula mbu obanze nsabiriza. What the fuck? Azanya nnyo game kyokola bamuguba mu State House. Sagala mtuku making her like a victim. Yeah, that's a fooling. It means Nibiarwala is just pretending it's not sick. It's just fooling around. Tulieri wa Richie tumunoonyeza buyambi bu okitegeera. Ali mu kuprayinga victim mbu si mulwadde. Ebyokuprayinga ebya sente mbu you're rich and you're not rich is bad. Tulina Facebooks anyway. I'm not faking the love. Chenabadde njagala Brain White adengulu naye kati munange omulada aliko oxygen akuba n'essimu kyeki. Kitegeera era this is mature. Kambawireko you fake dons. Nze nakuwa bantu ba pretending a fake. H245. You're home in the house because you don't have money for the hospital. We are trying to collect money. Kubanga manyi this year my baby this year you're nearly dead. Okitegeera buli muntu ali mu epidemic and you just playing cool. Okitegeera you cannot be relevant. So right now namukubidde simu ng'owulira nangamba it's okay. Yogera n'abantu aye tugenze ku live ali mu kuplayinga mbutaggwangamu. Okitegeera muyambe ntya hani muyambe ntya okujjako era okukuŋŋanya kesi bamuziike. Anti era ngenda mwesonyiwa oba afiira mu nju afiire mu depression ze. It means ebyo byonna bye nalaba yali anfakinga. He wasted my time. Okitegeera he can talk. That's why nakubidde Frank Gashumba. Nangamba Brian is not sick. Ali mu depression yakumujjako basirikale takyalina sente. And I was still on his side. Ate ali mukumakinga mu nze nsobola kumbu ninga akola gundi okubba. Awa ali mu political games aŋŋambe. Saagala nzijjeko waya kunjogeza bingi. Omanyi baby me nze nfuna sente zange. In any way I get my money. Naye ate for Brian White he can stop to be relevant to public bamuyambe. Okitegeera if it's relevant to public mbwa is looking for sympathy tebigenda kola. Yeah, unless yali anfakinga byonna byonna nti mulwadde. Jovia yansindikidde akakadde kamu mbadde ngenda keera nakasacho kali mugamba Richie mbu taggwangamu. Tumunoonyeza support. Nze tebagimpa nze nkola sente zange. Ayagala kunfuula mbu mulaga kyokka talina wadde n'ekikumi ne wali. okitegeera tugezaako Juliet Zawedde agenda muyamba bani bagenda muyamba ave kundi why he doesn't go in hospital he's broke babe abantu ano tebanneebaka n'otulo twababuze dda sagala naye sagala bintu bintabula being relevant it's a prison if you're broke you accept your block Jaja mwami I love you very much mbusente zadi bagenda okusondera it's not a big money to me I work oli one sofa why are you in the house unless oli mukutuzanyira you're playing us emotionally you're playing us the public emotionally you're hiding your political issues in us waba wagwamu kiriza nti wagwamu abantu bakuyambe bakutwale mu ddwaliro owone in good peace bwaba tuzanyira ku bwongo tugambe I visited you n'okabanga ekintu kikutuga kati yogerera ku ssimu what is that us ongena kunjogeza n'olusigora ebijjonteke nakubidde simu ku saa 12 jo vyasindisa akakadde kamu nongamba mbu yes it's okay it's okay gamba abantu banyambe sente naziteeka mwalu wa campaign jajja mwami omanye ebintu bye wandaga sagala bigamba public I don't want the public to know how president yakwa-avoidinga jajja mwami oli mukwano gwange nze wankabya amaziga nga nkusanze mweyembeera but if that mbeera is fake wake up okole sente abantu bagwamu no I don't have a friend how is mukwano gwange tuli ku live we are fundraising sente agende mu ddwaliro agamba mbu tayetaaga fundraising if you're not needing a fundraising what are you doing on the bed why are you bedridden namwe mundeke twekozeemu omulimu nkubidde abaswidi ogamba twetaaga buyambi najja nenkulaba ng'ofa ekikubeeze waka because you're broke stop playing relevantly my dear low down be low otandise kuwira liki masimu mbusimanya biki I don't need that small money me I do a big deal okitegera era twali tugenda kugulira mukene tugulire nakati tugulire nyanya ani mukwano gwo that's why people are empty on podium kati nkoye naawe nkuyamba ocha praying ambu oli mugagga abantu bonna bakulekawo mukwano stay low people they help you you're broke ebyo byozuukuka mukwano yonote munyankole tova lwakitula tova nyautarama you're not coming from any you're chilumila you are muganda nkitegera so stop playing relevant stop playing me nze si playing a game I'm an emotional woman I'm a mom if you needed help you need help you're broke you cannot afford a hospital if you cannot afford a hospital either you're faking the government oyagala kulaba Museveni sagala bino bintu nze binzijjako na saawa zino tuli wa richi Zawedde akkiriza okuyamba abantu bonna bakkiriza okuyamba ogende mu ddwaliro woba tolina kikuluma why are you avoiding hospital olowooza mu Uganda gwo omugaso nnyo jajja mwami gwe bagenda okutta nayogedde naawe ku ssimu n'oŋŋamba it's okay nefuna essimu ya Sam Kuteesa nefuna essimu ya Honorable ani simanyi kiri biki nefuna omuntu abeera ne general muhoozi nga njagala mbannyonnyole mbagambe Brian White yeetaaga obuyambi. Bw'obanga you're playing your dirty games, don't play on innocent souls. If you're not sick, wake up, accept brokenness. Sagala nokunza insambu simanya bad black abichi. I'm not looking any motivating. But jaja mwami Brian White. Nwezi ba sente mekanze sina zinzagaza. Nze nkuba sente mkwano. Gwe wangambye ngende ku live. Nengenda ku live. Nnyonnyodde abantu tokyalina sente bakuyambe. Ate oli mukuba masimu mutewetaaga buyambi wetwali mu ddwaliro oba yimukawo wansi w'oli mutuzannyira obuzannyo. Your drama is too much. Don't pray your innocent soul. Mbadde nkuwolereza. Sirina even I'm not attacking you. Wake up. Wake up. Wake up. Wake up, baby. People get mad and get broke. You understand? Abantu bafuna sente never fuka broke. And they move on, they work another money. If you're broke, wake up, we do another deal. Ishtegera. Tonkozesa because I'm public figure, nina attention. If Juliet Zawede was willing to help you, Susan was willing to help you, and you come out like I'm faking. Brian White, this wine is not your money. Send us on Nazidia Daniziguao, Nazikola Mubia, Nazikola Munizimda Mama, getting Kola Biona. Shtegera. You don't come spell my name that is savage. It's not savage, baby. Wake up. Nchenjagala nze nawe tukole. Toda praying a victim. Mbu you're rich. You're not rich, you're broke. Broke like a rat. A Rundian rat. When you're broke, you bow down. People so they can help you. Nkubidde abantu essimu, nkubidde bakoni essimu, Zaria nkubidde. Everyone has called me because of your faking sickness. If you're faking sickness, wake up and accept brokenness. My dear. Totuteka kubunkenke. Me, I came to visit you. I was so emotional. You're broke. Toina the security agula gate. And you're here. Oriwa richi, orimumugamba. Brian, kiriza abantu bakuyambe. Bwanga orimulamu yimuka mukwano n'obutako obw'obulungi nnyo. Tokozesa ano bantu. Don't use me for my fame. I'm not here to play victim. I don't play victim. I accept if I'm broke, I wake up, I work. I do what? I work for money. Abantu ano kwe bayite banebaka. Ochimanyi boo. Akubidde rich. Do you know how it feels? Kati wankabiza maziga gachi. Can you pay my tears? I don't have anything for free. Can you pay my tears, bitch? Don't play in Gidako games so. If Museveni refused to see you, he refused to see you because you're a terrorist. You dealt with a terrorist. Ochitegera. Wandaga video bulungi nnyo. Simanyi ogula kuba yekere mundu ne muzoza. And I got scared on your information. Nakubira semwai. Toda mnaye kunsiriwalira ku wano ku media, my baby. We are we good. Bwema njagala sente z'okubba mbeera nzeetaaga za kubba. Sibbira ku balwadde. Okitegera. Ondaza oli mulwadde ekintu kikunyoola oliko oxygen. That's why people they call it gas cylinder. And I'm here sympathizing with you. I'm here one slut standing on your side. Don't bring your epidemic on me. You feel me? Don't bring your epidemic on me. Don't fool auntie but there njagala kubba busente obwa vandalizing. You're broke. And we can't help. We can't afford. So people are helping. And you're here trying to prove. Nayogede nawe nongamba it's okay. Shanita, uli wange, omuntu yena atuyamba it's okay. Atemaze, atola bekintu kigenda viral, atokyusa. Tukoyo tuzanyira ku bwongo tweke tulonda akalulu bulungi. I don't want. Oshitegera, bwemaze njagala kulyamu ssente gwe Brian White. Ntunda n'okuguluko okutaliiko nnyama. Ondaba. I can sell your leg which doesn't have fresh. Sia, baby, okimanyi mbu azze ku live n'anfuula mbu ndi mubbi. Mbu simanya tannasabako buyambi. Oli wansi kati okay, if you're rich oyina sente, why are you not going to hospital? You don't take me in your political matters. Tonzanyisa buzannyo obwo bwa game bwa political. I'm not a politician. Sina nandanga muntu eronda. I'm satisfied in any part I am. Namwe munda kana oluzungu okitegeera. Tina Facebook nawe tomalako mirembe. You drove me emotionally. And I was like, oh, Richie, this man is broke. Let us hope. Kati watu wali Mulwadde kale vaako otambule kubanga oyogerera ku simu okubyene ku live gye bakwogerako. You on social media, you're playing you're sick. We are trying to fight for your life. Kumba oli mulamu. What is that in mingo mingo? Wabula Bannayuganda tujogeddwa. Nga nayogera naawe. Ne kumaja ku saa 12. Boo. Darora kumeka. Bannanga bagaga mubazi katuna sente za mwezi gonye sina sente akaza nze ndi mukozi. What are you on? Why are you making people to look like fool? Baba no kwe bali bawochinga ate sigena nakajayo. If you're sick, wanga bambu sente waziteeka mu alua zonna. And I, Bad Black, the last person you invested in, I came with good heart, kind soul, pure. Mwabasoma temujja kuno mukwano oba wasoma ebitabo ngobera UK German mukwano gende wa kitaawo oba gende wa nnyoko. This is my personal page, so I don't need to address you bitches and sluts and gays. I'm not here to tolerate your nonsense. I'm not entertainer. I'm not a musician. I'm not a comedian. I'm a civilian. So you love civilian, you watch or you mute. Fuck you. Shtegera. Twale shali ku important reason. Jajja mwami nakubidde simu ku macha. Asha, was it sawa muka 12? Ndiangambia tiabu. It's very fine. Olumbe ruba really you're very sick ngolumbe rukuluma. Mukwano accept, adapt. Accept, adapt. Omanyi kali eni mukuprayinga victim mbukagaga. You're broke, baby. Tufuna obuyambi oba oli mulwadde unless you're just predicting or you're just faking sickness. You're looking for president's attention. President asobola kujja kulaba mukwano. Wadiringa n'abayeekera tasobola kujja kulaba. Kitegeera. So the one thing you can do You save your anas, you save your hustle. Wake up on that pretendence, you work money. Nze sagala kuyamba muntu yefuula victim nanfuula mbu ndi mubi. Okitegeera. Don't use social media or a public figure like your weapon. President will not see you. President Museveni is not going to meet you. Kubanga you already met labels. Wa meeting abayekera. I myself with my eyes I witnessed ngondage mundu nga mzoza na amasasi mu president yabikozesa. Ekitegeera. So you would have prayed cool. Nze kyendi wano saagala sente zesifunye ogamba abantu mbu nali I'm looking for charity. Eh? If you're faking sickness, wake up and we work another money. A thief will always stay a thief. A thief will always stay a thief. Ngenze eri ku Snapchat ndajanye. I'm not sidaja nambura kubamba sente bagenda okuwa nyisimene adi bagenda kuyamba. Ne if you're really sick ngomulwadde okuba n'essimu, it means you faked me, you used me, motherfucker. Kati ono kamu blocking, and I don't deal with the fucking fake account. Gwesimanya Joy Sente. RIP. Go blocking idwa. In viewers, I don't gain anything. Oshtegera. Me, I deal with real people. When I'm broke, yes, but black, you're broke. I'm broke. Oga airport insibo ogenda yita mutako. My first point, ogenda yita mutako. Jajja mwami, nze nakwagalako. Okitegeera. Nazze okuyamba ne mukazi wo kyatasobola. But I remembered I cherished those things you did for me. Okitegeera. Those little things you did for me, it means a lot. But you know what? Njagala okuva ne leero kiyite. If you want to invite me in anything, don't invite me in games. I'm not a political person. I'm just an influencer. Just Yoba is a socialite. I don't need even to know. I don't need them. They don't feed me. If you wanted to use me to meet Museveni, wandingambye. Oli ku oxygen yesimu ojogereddeko otya. Sagala bintu byakunkozesa manyanga. Kati balekeyo okutuwa sentral we tutaalye. Okay. Vandalization money will not come. Kajikaye katwayo tunaberawo. Brian White, I want you to wake up in your comment. Katikane chachinya kuwirako. You wanted power. Chechimu. You wanted whatever ekintu kyowazimba. Nze Brian White golaba. Nze ndi muntu genuine. So when I find someone is using me for granted, I get so pissed. When someone texts me, I beg you, BobiWine, if you're going to visit Brian White, don't. Nze omuntu wankozesa. Ngobadde ofekinze games ozo nazifa. You're praying you're rich, you're broke. That's why you're not in a hospital. You're not sick. Omulwadde ayogerera atya ku ssimu n'akuba n'essimu n'afuna agoogera. Onkozesa ebintu by'amazzi. Nze I'm not a politician. Lwaki onkyaya abantu? Nze saaliyo gye mwateeseza ne Museveni. Mbusimanya omugulize emmundu eyo essimu yo gy'oyina. And you know what? You think I'm not safe here? Nakuwabira ddamu seemwayi. Da. Saagala nkolesenga bintu by'amajjanga. I want a real people in my life. Ekitegeera. Otupuleyinze, oliku oxygen, you drove me emotionally, and right now you're telling me you don't need people's support. Olinga laga abantu mbu tewetaaga support. Ate nga you're broke. Babe, you're broke. Stop dreaming as a sentence of wakanyuga. Twas kanyuga, and we believed our mistake. We're in our mistake. We get money, we misuse money, we accept we are broke, we work again. Tobuzabuza gwanga, nze saagala kunkozesa. Nze nyini nakubidde MC Richie nga mmaze okwogera naawe. Nga mmaze okwogera naawe, nakubidde saa 12. Naye ngamba wasuze ofa naye ng'oyogera. I tell you one thing, I called Frank Agashumba leero. Nangamba, you're not sick. You're just broke. You no longer have powers you used to have. You don't have a security. Akuira security yangamba Brian White tumwa security akola mulimu ki e Kampala. And I was like, Brian bamudizeyo omusirikale omu. Because you can't sit in Speak Resort munyonyo weka. Ngogobamu abantu. You can no longer sit in Speak Resort alone. You cannot have that power. You know that you are dealing with a government, not a civilian. Saagala oddemu kunkozesa gwe motherfucker. Bw'oba oli mulamu yimuka katanda okkirize naffe ffenna twagwamu ne tunoonya ssente. Okitegeera? We accepted. We moved on. So va mweri pasi yayitanga abantu nti buyayagala ebizibu. Nze nkwagala nnyo. Tewali blog ayinza kunsinga kwagala. Tewali muntu ayinza kunsinga kwagala. That's why I was fighting in the what? Bajiyita batya? Bo. Omuntu ngo o fighting behind. Nguyagala omuntu abere fine like ngorwana.
Just say that's why I was fighting by the leg.
Yeah. No. I know you trusted me with your secrets. But me, I'm a public figure. So right now I'm addressing the nation. Because I don't want you to make me a liar. Nakubide simu, I can screenshot them right now. No ngamba, it's okay. Zari called me mwe namba yo. Nenkubida koni, nenkubida bani. We want you alive in good heart. Nze sikwagala ng'oli mufu. Now I want you to stop playing rich victim. You're not rich, you're broke. Depression, stress, distress, desperately. 4 things you suffering for. When you stop to fight for those things, okitegeera. Nze sagala kugira mbu you don't make okay fine amambezola. So you want to show the world mbu mbadde nga nkunganya sente nzibe. Do you have a security in your home? No. Mwete mumbuulira maziga mwe. Brian White yanyamba, fine. I've been accepting that. Brian White yanyamba. Era I have never denied. Jaja mwami, nze mbadde ndi real. I'm not in a political game. I'm not a politician. When it comes to this, I'm not a politician, I'm a civilian. So you don't use me for your bad motive. Mbadde ngamba Richie, ba Juliet zawedde bakuyambe, bazari bakuyambe, ogende mu ddwaliro. If you're sick in Uganda, we have international hospitals. Katunga oli omugagga wetwale mu ddwaliro kyekikubeze waka goloza gwe wa mugaso nnyo e Kampala mu government Museveni agenda kutta gwe. Nammwe temututijjirako. Ngenda kutoba nammwe mwenna. Saagala muntu kunkozesa nze omuntu wonkozesa mpulira bubi. Mpulira bubi ngonkozesezza. Mbadde nkulwaniriranga jjajja mwami yanyamba. Toda unogamba bantu mbusimanya, I'm not fundraising. You're broke, that's why you're not in a hospital. Chogambe Kampala tubatujjako omusayi ne bagukebera ebituluma. Then you're pretending you're in this stress, you're in stress. Because you cannot get a power you used to be with. Tosobola funa abasirikale babakujjako ababali bakuba abantu kibooko. Tokyasobola koona abantu bafe. Tokyasobola gamba bantu nti munange owekitiibwa omukulembeze yankubiranga essimu direct. You would have told me you're in distress. Saagala kunkozesa todangamu kunkozesa bintu by'amazi. Nze I get my money in easy way and in clean way. I don't get my money in vandalizing. Ekitegeera. Not vandalizing mukwano. Vandalizing nandikubidde abagagga. Ne bakuyamba bakyeyune. Badoni nasa. Ekituufu you're broke. And you're playing victim. Fuck you. Ekitegeera. Fuck you, bitch. Hama baby, let me charge my phone. Bantu kutumanyiranga bumanyize watuyagala buyambi buleke. Ekitegeera honey. You don't need any support. Fuck you. Biveko. We believe in death. All of us, we are going to die. If God wishes, without God's wishes, we are not dying. Yeah, me, I've never denied you helped me. That's why I came out. I used my following. I used my power to help you out. And I'm helping you out. You're still using your power and you're rich. Fuck you. Koja kufira once if you're really sick anyway. Nze tombuulira naawe. I'm not here even to clear my name on your information. I've done a lot and I don't clear my name. Let's take it up. You don't place by the way kankubireko baby ya ekituufu nze Brian White mbadde mukwira vandalizing mbadde ngenda mutwala ali wena kutwala okitegeera mutwale wali ku IHK afune treatment. So it means he's playing game, he's not sick, he doesn't want to go in hospital. Tovola bakubide MC Richie because we insisted to take him in the hospital. So mukwano, wake up. You're not sick. Ochitegera. Never take a kind heart for granted. By the way, baby, I told you the first time. Nsobola giving up yona naye omuntu ankozesa. Of course nemba mbadde nga ngenda mubako. Gwe Brian White mbadde ngenda kubako $5. Eddwaliro lyokka pa night boo. Lya millioni emu kitundu. Emu kinaana. Obadde ogenda kulya chips chicken mu ddwaliro ofune ne gundi kubanga olabe HK ina ba VIP nurse. So abadde inafuna ba VIP nurse. Kati mulamu tayagala genda muki yabadde amanyi sente ngenda zifandalizinga mu secret ebyange iba straight. Namwe munveeko. Okitegera honey. Let me even make this a club. I'm having fun. Baby, rush to you. So take a glass to you, my sweetheart. Later, my darling. Auntie Nance, dear combatant, Chanyola Richie. You're my best. Abantu bonna bakwefuulidde nvuddeyo okuyamba n'enkya sikyazze. Oli awo mubeera mu threat. Hani ongamba mmako omalamu sweet. Muleke malulabirira omusajja. Musajja babbula bakazi tebakikiriza batwala buno obuyongeza. Cheers my Asha, I love you very much.
I love you too.
Sagala ngonzanyirengako. Next time if you want to play your game, bwaba Museveni yagaana okulaba fine. Join people power. Join FDC. I'm not a politician. You don't use me for your selfish motives. Yimuka wansi va wansi abantu twafuna sente ne sigwawo enewe. We got $4 million. Go finish. We didn't have nezigwawo. We accepted. We moved on. Who are you, motherfucker? Todamu kuntabula nawe. Me, I don't deal with the hypocrites. Oli mulamu tukiriza obwavu bubaawo. People get broke. People get money. People move on. Nkubidde abantu. Zari ankubidde munyonyodde. Boss lady ankubidde munyonyodde. Richie mukubidde munyonyodde. Yo niyo katemba. Mulwadde kyaliko oxygen ayogera. Fuck you. Ah, baby, yeah? Nembadde ngenda muba baby, mbadde ngenda mubako meka $100 maybe. Ainga wadde tajafuna nezo. Nembadde ngenda kuba mbadde nguluza ngenda kubako sente meka. Ozamanga nakubako sente meka. Nyamba gogene mu ddwaliro mukwano mulekerawo okudrivinga government speed. You thought you were Munyankole. You thought you got money. You joined government. And guess what? And I'm just pitying those people. Abari yabakwasama. My dear, me, I'm a mother of 4 children. I protect myself. I'm in Uganda. I'm not in Sweden, England, America. I'm not in America. I protect myself. Era kasita wandage ekintu n'ogamba nti simanyi abayeekera biki. I had to report myself. Actually, ne-reportinga. You know when ne-reportinga? Ne-reportinga mukwano. So anything to do with you is okay. It's okay. It's okay. You go on pretending and wearing rich ganga attitude. Maybe I'm black, I'm not like that. I'm real. I'm real.